Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin and we have the iPhone 15 Pro in white titanium. So, box looks pretty good. This is the 256 version and I like 256 because it is just enough space for me. So, let's get this. Oh. Now I am upgrading from an iPhone 13 and I can tell that this camera bump is huge. But this titanium looks really good. Wow. So let's put this aside. Let's see what else we got. Books and a braided USB-C cable. I was not expecting this actually. It's nice that it's braided, although I don't think I'm going to use this one. So let's take a look. And it's pretty good. Yeah, it's definitely light. And I have an iPhone 12 nearby, so we can definitely see the increase in the camera bump. But I really like this titanium. And this might be the one iPhone, if I decide to keep it, that I will not use a case on. Although there is a story on 9 to 5 Mac where if you do not use a case, your iPhone 15, at least the Pro versions, the titanium would have a different color. So over time we'll see, but I am impressed with how light it is and it feels really good. I haven't used Dynamic Island, so this whole experience is going to be very interesting. So if you like this video, do all the YouTube things. All engagement is good engagement. And until next time, I will see you in the next video.